Today I have a 2021 Tesla Model Y on my driveway. Our long-term channel supporter Lasfit sent out a mat set for the Tesla here, and my good buddy's going to get hooked up with some fresh mats. They make a whole bunch of accessories as well as floor mats and bed liners and LED kits, so I'll leave a link down below so you can check them out. I've been rocking their floor mats and their rock lights on the Tundra for over a year now, and I'm super happy with them. All right, we're going to start with the driver's seat here. I'm going to pull out the old floor mat, and we're going to give her a vacuum while we're in here. So I've had these sitting out in the sun for the last few hours. It's been about 102 out today, so they're nice and pliable. They should conform really nicely to the inside of the Tesla here. These are 3D scans, so they fit super nicely within the car here, conforming to all of the different angles. And they're super stable, so they don't slide around at all. And it's time for the passenger side here. Super tight fit once again. I actually just cleaned mine today from the Tundra, and they're looking pretty good for over a year of use. So we've got the back seat here, and my buddy does have a dog, and one of his #1 complaints is that the fur kind of sticks to these mats, and I think we won't have that problem going forward with the new mats here. Yeah, look at the fit in this back here. Gets all of those nooks and crannies. So this should cut down on the dog hair substantially, since you'd be able to just vacuum it out super easily. So we've got the rear all covered up here, and with the TPE that this is made out of, it should make it super easy just to vacuum up any of the hair that's on there or any of the dust, debris. When I clean my mats, I just pulled them out of the truck, give them a quick vacuum, hit them with the hose, and then let them dry, throw them right back in the truck. All right, so thank you very much, Lasfit, for hooking my brother up here with some really fine mats in his Tesla Model Y. I think that's gonna treat him really nicely, and his dog as well. We've got super awesome fits here. And if you want to grab some of these mats for yourself, I've got a discount code in the description. Thanks for hanging out with me in the garage. See you in the next one. Damn it.